Manrega scheme was introduced by UPA government. The entire scheme repealed, changed to VBG Ramji. Both the Hindi, English, everything is mixed. It was a right for everyone. The 125 is not guaranteed. Runs up to 30,000 crores. Out of 365 days, 60 days has been taken out. Why you have taken the Mahatma Gandhi name?
Hello and namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Right now, I'm standing at the Freedom Park, Bengaluru, and with me it's Ravi Kumar Yadav ji from Batranpura constituency. Hello, sir. Welcome to KTV India. So, first of all, today when this Raj Bhavan Chalo march is happening, sir, there are a lot of people. There's a massive crowd over there, sir. I think yesterday when DKS came in and when he came out and said about the right to work constitutionally, people I think got to know what is exactly about. I think that the mass crowd is the result of that speech, or it's like people are also aware about Manrega things, sir.
Namaskar. Now, first of all, I would like to say this Manrega scheme was introduced by UPA government under the Dr. Manmohan Singh when he was a Prime Minister. Now the entire scheme has been repealed. Now the name has been changed to VBG Ramji. I am very afraid to say that. It's a very ridiculous, kind of a very weird thing that the pronunciation itself is very difficult to pronounce. And both it is a very thing is that both Hindi, English, everything is mixed. But whereas in Narega, it's completely in English. Okay, leave it apart. And the Manrega scheme was a guarantee scheme. It's a rural-based scheme, and it was a right for everyone. And now that has been repealed by this VBG Ramji. VBG Ramji, the main feature of this is that 100 days, now 100 days has been increased to 125 days. But that 125 is not guaranteed. Whereas the earlier scheme, Manrega scheme, 100 days were guaranteed. That's the number one. Number two, and now the state government has to bear nearly the 40% of the scheme. That means almost it runs up to 30,000 crores. 30,000 crores. It's not a small amount where the state government can bear that amount. And the third point is, under VBG Ramji, and that 60 days, the work days they have taken out. Out of 365 days, 60 days has been taken out. That's dependent on and the fourth point is, wherever, wherever it is completely under the central government, wherever they want to implement, they can implement. If, say for example, if the Congress or any opposition party running government, if they don't want to run the scheme, it is completely go nil. There is no scheme at all. I mean, you cannot implement the scheme at all. So this is a very, very, very bad idea from the government, and it is very deliberately and desperately they have implemented this scheme.
So this non-violence march is basically towards the central government, sir. Of course, the state government is doing this. But do you think there would be any change that this state government can do for the people who are demanding for Manrega back?
See, as I already mentioned, because it's a small amount that it has to bear nearly 30,000 crores. It's very, very difficult. And what about the devolution? It has to come from the central government. And you know that many non-BJP government has already raised their voices against that. Because there is a lot of discrepancies in that allocation of the devolution, which is the right of the respective state government. So that has not been done. Everything has been politicized. So what we demand is VBG Ramji. And first of all, why you have taken the Mahatma Gandhi name? Mahatma Gandhi name itself is very much associated with the rural lives. It's very astonishing. Very.
Of course. It's been 20 years since that has been implemented, yes. And now when the name is taken, people are also urging that it shouldn't be done as well. Thank you so much, Ravi Kumar sir, for joining in KTV India. That was Ravi Kumar Yadav ji with me. I am Varsha Venugopal with camera person Kirtan Reddy, only on KTV India, Bengaluru.